Hello everyone, welcome to another Xbox tutorial video. Now in this tutorial video, I will show you how to fix black screen on Xbox Series XS. Now you can also fix this on normal Xbox as well, Xbox One as well. But yeah, let's get started. So basically there are a couple of options right here. Obviously the first one is to restart your Xbox One. This is the most self-explanatory one. The second one is to try an offline mode. Now usually if you press the Xbox button on your controller, go to Profile System Settings, General and Network Settings, you can actually go offline. Now that can be potential culprit of this error is that you're in the online mode. So try offline mode, sometimes that will help. Now factory reset your Xbox One is probably the best one to go and to do. So basically, as you can see, here's how to factory reset. So you have soft reset and hard reset. So soft reset is just pressing the Xbox power button on your console to turn it off. You need to wait a few seconds and then press the Xbox button on your console to turn it back on. Now the hard reset is basically pressing and holding Xbox power button on your console for 10 seconds until it turns off and unplugging the system and waiting at least 10 seconds. Now, obviously from there, you just plug it back in and press the Xbox button on your console to turn it on. Now, sometimes if this is not working, then what I would suggest you to do is go and Google Xbox black screen, and you will have here a basically like a forum where you can click on it. And here, as you can see, you can click which problem you currently have. Now, obviously black screen is not just black screen, it's sometimes your screen is blank after you install a system update. If that's the case, you can click here and you can basically get the answer right off the bat. So that's what I would do. If you still have this error, you can contact the Xbox support. However, this is pretty much how to fix this very quickly. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.